This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to work copper T animation. First, understand the device's anatomy, including its T-shape and copper elements. We will focus on illustrating its insertion and how it prevents pregnancy. Begin by setting up your 3D model or 2D assets within your animation software. Ensure accurate scaling and proportions for medical realism. This foundational step is crucial for a clear and effective animation. To achieve a compelling animation, focus on fluid motion and precise timing. Animate the copper T's journey through the reproductive system with careful keyframing. Highlight the device's flexibility and how it conforms to the uterus. Use subtle effects to show the copper ion's release, which is vital for its contraceptive action. Ensure every movement is medically accurate and easy to follow. Begin by importing or creating your copper T model and the uterine environment. Animate the device's gentle insertion, demonstrating the correct technique. Show how the arms of the T-shape unfold once inside the uterus. Then, illustrate the copper's presence and its role in creating an environment unsuitable for sperm. This sequence should clearly convey the mechanism of action. After completing the core animation, refine it with subtle visual cues. Consider adding a soft glow around the copper to emphasize its active role. Review the entire sequence with medical professionals to ensure anatomical and procedural accuracy. Pay close attention to timing and pacing, making sure the information is digestible. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Your final animation should be both informative and visually engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.